It just started.
Did it start? You guys want to see a fat man throw a paper airplane? Not paper, but planes. Hey, Tim's ready? Yeah! Ooh, mine did a whirly whirl.
A whirly whirl.
A whirly whirl. Nice landing. Nice.
Boom.
Oh, you got mine.
Don't step on it.
Ready here, we're gonna race. Come over here. Get in the vlog, Tim. He's gonna wear his shades. Oh my gosh. Come on, Tim, we're gonna fly airplanes. Ready? We're gonna race. Get ready. Come on. Stop looking at me weird. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these suck. Oh! Oh shit. The person recording is Tim. He doesn't want to show you guys his face. Okay? Oh, damn. We're just gonna make it fly. Whoa! 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 Here, you guys throw it. Ready? Here you go, you guys. Ready, guys? Oh, you guys did a horrible throw. Look at that. I didn't even get that far. You didn't even get that far. Drop that booty, boo. Thanks for watching my airplane flying.